Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best crime scene game is probably one of the most immersive and intellectually stimulating experiences you can bring to your game night, transforming your living room into a thrilling investigation where every clue matters, every suspect holds a secret, and your deductive skills are put to the ultimate test to unravel complex mysteries and catch the culprit before time runs out. Number 5. Unsolved Case Files, Harmony Ashcroft Cold Case Mystery Game. Step into the shoes of a cold case detective. You're tasked with solving a murder that happened decades ago, armed only with the original investigator's file. Can you find out who really killed Harmony Ashcroft on May 8, 1998? This game will let you discover if you're as good as the detectives you see on TV. To solve this cold case, you'll need to crack 3 separate mysteries. First, prove the convicted man's innocence, then disprove a key suspect's alibi, and, finally, identify the real killer. It includes over 50 evidence photos and documents for you to investigate. These range from newspaper articles and crime scene photos to witness statements and fingerprint cards. To progress, you'll visit an online answer page that requires you to prove you've cracked each step. If your answer isn't right, you can keep investigating without any spoilers. This game is perfect for individuals, couples, groups, and parties. Teen and adult mystery fans love its cerebral challenge and interactive teamwork. What we like. This game offers an authentic cold case experience with a wealth of physical evidence. If you love sifting through documents and feeling like a real detective, this is your perfect match. It's ideal for those who enjoy a deep dive into a single, complex mystery. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract any points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Hunt a Killer, Death at the Dive Bar. Small-town bar owner, Nick Webster, is dead. His fatal fall was ruled an accident, but one of his employees suspects foul play, and she needs your help to prove it. Step into an immersive murder mystery game. Play detective in unsolved mysteries and solve the crime to catch a killer. Work alone or as a team as you examine forensic files, eliminate suspects, and piece together the clues. Do you have what it takes to catch a killer? This is a surefire way to level up game night for adults and teens. It is designed for ages 14 and up, making it a great gift for true crime fans. This immersive investigation delivers 45 to 60 minutes of gameplay and can be played in a single sitting. It's ideal for beginners with a 1-5 difficulty rating, keeping everyone on edge. Want more murder mysteries? Turn a cold case into case closed with more fatal crime stories from the same brand. These gripping, narrative-driven mystery box games make any mystery party feel epic. What we like. This title provides a quick, engaging murder mystery perfect for a single game night. Its beginner-friendly difficulty makes it accessible for new players. If you're looking for a thrilling, self-contained mystery that can be solved in one sitting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The provided source JSON for product reviews was empty. Unable to extract specific points as no review content was supplied. Number 3. Lucky Egg MMC Death in the Eiffel Tower. In April 2023, a man's body was found beneath the Eiffel Tower. Officials suspected a climbing accident, but signs of a cleanup cast doubt. Was it a tragic accident or a cold-blooded murder? Step into the shadow of the Eiffel Tower and uncover the truth. You will examine 22 pieces of physical evidence to reopen this unsolved murder mystery. Piece together the puzzle and expose the truth in this immersive detective game. This game includes crime scene photos, an autopsy report, newspaper clippings, and GPS route maps. You'll also find a CCTV snapshot, letters, and even a 3D model of the Eiffel Tower. All these pieces help you solve the case. Tackle the case solo, pair up for a unique date, or host a thrilling murder mystery party. It is designed for true crime fans and puzzle lovers. This cold case game delivers suspenseful fun for any occasion. With a 3-5 difficulty rating and 150 minutes of gameplay, it offers a satisfying challenge. This game is perfect for 1 to 10 players. It promises to test your detective skills. Know someone who loves escape rooms or criminal mystery games? This is the ultimate gift for them. It's fully replayable, allowing others to solve the case too. What we like. Immerse yourself in a captivating mystery set against the iconic backdrop of the Eiffel Tower. With 22 realistic evidence pieces, it offers a rich, atmospheric experience. If you appreciate a strong sense of place and detailed physical evidence, you'll love uncovering the truth in this one. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 2. MMC Murder at the White House. Step into a thrilling murder mystery set in Washington, D.C. This immersive game challenges adults to solve a high-stakes cold case. Are you ready to uncover the truth? A shocking assassination has left the nation stunned. The president's murder remains a mystery, with 6 high-profile suspects and whispers of political intrigue. You are the one tasked with cracking this complex case. Become the detective and delve into 37 pieces of tangible evidence. You'll analyze autopsy reports, handwritten notes, and even a classified crime scene report. Piece together these clues to expose the cover-up. The investigation extends beyond physical evidence. Access the victim's phone online to uncover crucial digital clues like call logs and emails. Explore suspect profiles to reveal their hidden motives and deepen the mystery. Whether you prefer to play alone, with a partner, or host a full game night, this experience is perfect. It's designed for true crime enthusiasts and puzzle lovers alike. Enjoy suspenseful fun for any gathering. Looking for a thrilling gift for a true crime fan? This detective game is an excellent choice for those who love mysteries and puzzles. It's also fully replayable, so you can share the excitement with others. What we like. This game plunges you into a high-stakes political murder mystery with a compelling narrative. It combines physical evidence with interactive digital clues for a modern investigative feel. If you enjoy intricate plots, political intrigue, and a blend of physical and digital evidence, this case is for you. What people say. No suitable positive reviews with product details were found in the provided source. Please provide relevant product reviews to extract points. Number 1. Crime Scene Forensic Science Kit, Missy Hammond Murder. Do you have an aspiring detective in your life? This kit is the perfect gift to spark their curiosity and hone their investigative skills. It provides actual forensic tests, allowing you to analyze evidence just like a professional. You'll gain hands-on experience with scientific methods. Inside, you'll find compelling case evidence, including fingerprint exemplars from suspects. There's even an item with a latent print for you to uncover. Test a fabric sample for a possible bloodstain using synthetic blood. Plus, gain full access to the police case file online to guide your investigation. It comes equipped with essential forensic testing supplies. You'll have a fingerprint dusting brush, powder, lifting tape, and a presumptive blood test at your disposal. Complete instructions are included to guide you through every step. Safety gear is also provided, ensuring a secure and educational experience. What we like. This unique kit allows you to perform actual forensic tests on included evidence. It's a hands-on experience that goes beyond just reading clues. If you're an aspiring forensic scientist or love practical, scientific investigation, this kit provides an unparalleled learning and solving experience. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided empty source to extract points from. No suitable reviews found in the provided empty source to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.